Hi, welcome back to new CNC channel. In the previous video, I have shown you how to install Crystal Report in Visual Studio 2017. Now we have question how to set peak size of report. Okay, let's open our Visual Studio. Then I want to create one project called Crystal Report Peak Size. Okay, Crystal Report Peak Size. In the Crystal report for 2000 for Visual Studio 2017, there is many options to custom our size of the report. Okay, let's add Crystal report here. Okay, now if I start this project, there is nothing report in here, so we can just right click or click this arrow and create a new Crystal report. Okay, for example, receipt like this. Now I'm usually use as a blank report, and we can see this big size can found in right click design and in pick setup. Okay, if you choose A4 for example, then we can just click OK here and see your result here. Okay, this is just for example. We are using A4 letter. Let's a text object, for example my report. Okay, you can also make this okay, I'm using basic here. You can also using this option or properties to make this font is bold, for example like this. Okay, now if we want to make our custom pic setup, we can just click user defined size. For example, I want to my horizontal using just only 5 centimeters. For vertical I only want to no, it's too much. Okay, 5 and 10. And then if we start, let this my report. Okay, you can see there. Now your custom paper is small, so you can just adjust your text in here. Let's see, there's the report. Okay, we can zoom in 100%. Okay, like this. We can also make the margin is narrower, or we can set 0 0.1, 0 0.1, 0 0.1, and 0 0.1. Okay, just click OK. And if this bigger, you can also adjust to more small or smaller. I'm sorry. Now, why your text is not appear? Because your range of your label is just like this, so you can make this bigger and make using center in here. Okay, Now, Voila. That is your custom size of paper of your report. That's all. A tutorial how to set custom paper of our report using Visual Studio 2017. In the next video, we will try to make some reports and of course connect with database also. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.